Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change MAC address type on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, tap the connections. And connection, select the mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, tap this. And mobile hotspot and tethering, okay, you can see the mobile hotspot. Okay, switch on the switch button on the right side to turn on the mobile hotspot. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the mobile hotspot. And now here in mobile hotspot, tap the configure. Okay. And configure mobile hotspot, okay, you can see below the advanced. Okay, tap the advanced. And okay guys, now here in advanced, okay, you can see the MAC address type. And okay guys, to change the MAC address type, okay, you'll have to do stop this. And okay guys, now you can change the MAC address, okay, you can select the phone MAC, okay, for my example, I select the phone MAC. And okay guys, okay, after you select the MAC address type, okay, tap the save button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the MAC address type on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.